In Algebra 1, 5.5, we're dealing with modeling with linear equations. So basically we're dealing with a whole bunch of story problems. And I know how much you guys love story problems, so we'll just get right into it, into the problem. So basically all we're going to do is we're going to read the story problem. We're going to try to come up with an equation with two variables so that we can fill out the chart. Alright? So it says here, you are in charge of buying cups and yogurt for school. A box of fruit costs $4 and a box of yogurt costs $3, and you have $48 to spend. So basically we need to find a linear equation, an equation that helps us be able to figure out how much of each we need to buy. So let's make yogurt, okay, fruit X, because that's first, and yogurt Y. Right? We know that no matter what, we can't go over $48 because that's how much money is given to us. Alright? We know that every cup of fruit costs $4. So however many fruit I buy, I have to multiply it by 4. So it's 4x. And I also have to add, for the yogurt is $3. So however much yogurt I buy, I have to multiply it by y. And it doesn't matter how much of each I buy, I just need to make sure not to go over $48. Okay? The chart will help you in case, let's say you want more yogurt. Well, how much more yogurt can you buy than fruit? And so on and so forth. So this is our equation that will give us the line. But the thing is, this is not, so this is not in y equals mx plus b form. You could put it in y equals mx plus b form, or you can leave it in this way. Either way, it'll give you the same answer. Alright? The next part is just asking us to fill in. So it's telling us how much fruit we should buy, and if we buy this amount of fruit, how many yogurts can we buy? And that's what the table is telling us. So basically, we have to take this, the fruit numbers, plug it in for x, and then find out what our answer is in y. So, for example, if we buy 0 fruit, so 48 equals 4 times 0 plus 3y. Well, 4 times 0, anytime 0 is 0. So we end up with 48 equals 3y. And then we divide 48 by 3, which gives us 16 equals y. So that means if I buy 0 fruit cups, I will need to buy 16 yogurts. Okay? Alright, what if I bought 3? So x equals 3. Well, I have 48 equals 4 times 3 plus 3y. Okay, 3y. Sorry about the scrunch up. So 48 equals 12 plus 3y. Well, now I subtract 12 from both sides. 48 minus 12 gives me 36 equals 3y. Okay? And then I'm going to divide both sides by 3. This cancels out and I end up with 12 equals y. What this means is that if I buy 3 fruit cups, I will need to buy 12 yogurts. I can only buy 12 yogurts. Okay? Now, what happens if I buy 12 yogurts? Okay? 12 fruit cups. Well, I have 4 times 12 plus 3y. 48, 4 times 12 equals 48 plus 3y. I'm going to subtract 48 by both sides. I end up with 0 equals 3y. Well, if I divide both sides by 3, 0 divided by 3 gives me 0 equals y. So that means if I buy 12 fruit cups, I will not be able to buy any yogurt cups for the class. Alright? So this will help you evaluate. This is the kind of stuff that you go through mentally in the store to decide, well, my class likes fruit more, so I want to buy more fruit or more yogurt and so on and so forth. So go ahead and write this down, and then do the problems, page 300, number 4, in your book, and I will see you in class.